as chairman, when I took over in 2022, I made sure that first thing was we took the corporation out of debt. There was almost 85 CR which were in debt. We brought it to a great level of with the steps taken by the corporation before the new the other MD was after MD Abhishek was there. We have taken out and we have done taken a lot of proactive steps to see that association or that the Goa Idc came into complete good position. I promised all the associations that first thing we would do is take the IDC out of that. Second, to see that infrastructure was the most important focus. Everybody there were complaints that there were no proper roads, there were no proper infrastructure available. So we first did a safety audit. With the safety audit, we saw that all the estates, Honda, Verna, everywhere, Margam, Betara, all industrial estates, Konkan, Konkani, all industrial estates, had an audit done in the sense that what was required, at which junction, what signals were required, where speed breaker was required, where steps were taken that there were no accidents, what was exactly happening. After that, they were all steps started. So we tendered about 100 crores work. And now we will take up all the works. Our job will be to see that along with my staff, everybody from the IDC, to see that all the industrial estates have the best of infrastructure. Now, white topping we have taken up, and the total work amounting to almost 80 CR has been taken up in the first phase. So, all this work will be completed maybe another 1 year or so. Entire distance, 6 months. And the white topping first will be taken up Honda and Pilam in the first phase. The second phase, Verna, Margam Industrial Estate. The third will be Betara Industrial Estate. And fourth will be, we will have Konkan, Kakwada and Mobile. Now the latest position is that everybody is complaining there are still potholes. All the roads which are having potholes right now have been taken up for white topping. That's why we have not touched the potholes. We don't want to spend more money on potholes because the white topping is already started. 6 months before the rains we plan completing everything. Now whichever roads that will be completed now will be one of the best roads. Our plan is to see for the next 25 years we have a good road. The Industrial Association were taken. I have the Industrial Association chairman here. We have taken everybody into confidence wherever we did it. Whatever works we have done, we have taken all the associations into confidence. We had the connect programs, and in that connect programs we had everybody, whatever the flaws that were there, or rather whatever they had problems, as far as everything, as far as even making an application, getting the application done, all I think we have covered almost 80% of their whatever the grievances they had. We plan to touch 100% of grievances we plan to solve, and we plan to give the best of infrastructure for the next 25 years. Now this road will have a guarantee of almost 20 years. 20-25 years will be that much of strength, that much of quality we will have for the next 25 years. And all this, and by the way, first time in the country, any industrial state will have a white topping roads. Now all these roads are coming under Sri Nitin Gadkari ji, who is also promoting this. All specifications given are followed from the GSR which is available there. The entire plan is to see that these roads last for the highest number of years. You have seen what is happening, everybody is complaining. So we took proactive steps to see that there were no complaints from the industrial state. Now we will see that we are also paying attention to the quality. First we are doing the black topping of the road, the existing road which are the hot pits. Milling is done. We have cut a certain amount of level, gone to the base, put one layer of concrete, and then we plan doing the entire work. The base concrete will be a bonding concrete layer which will bond the concrete white topping to the existing road. We have taken steps. We have put ducts. We have seen that even there will be no more digging. We have put ducts. We have put everything in place so that the infrastructure is such that it will have no single pothole for the next 20-25 years. It will have no digging anywhere. Even there was an extra item which has to be done. We have in fact done those things also, see that afterwards we had no problem. Well, we wish to give industrial state on behalf of the state of government, whereas government of the state, government of Goa, and Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Industrial Minister, Mr. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Industrial Minister Mr. Bhavin Dineo, all of us are on board to see that we have one of the best infrastructures in the industrial state as far as roads are concerned. We plan to take up even all other grievances of the industrial states. We look forward to having all cooperation from everybody, including the agency staff, everybody, and I thank everybody for for all the necessary help that have been given for the same.
Now we can take some questions and
you have mentioned all 8 industries. Can you elaborate all IDCs?
yes,
Eight.
it's Honda, Vijay, Verna, Marga, Vetura.
Honda, Finland, Verna, Margaon, Industrial Street, Vetura, Kanakwana, Kakora, and Google.
सर सर्क्युलर 2020 काढलेलो इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक कितल्या वर्सां कित्याक लावले सर्क्युलर केन्ना काढलेलो
Circular
2020.
See, it was in a debt. Debt that time profit and position like
हां
So now we have taken up works because we want to give up the interest. We want to give up and give all the industrial states one of the best infrastructure.
Still answer this question.
Yeah.
Just to answer your question about
Energy.
I'm the president of Land Industry Association, Mayuresh Dome. Good evening, everyone. So regarding your question of 2020 circular or whatever, I mean, as sir rightly said, when you taken over the financial condition of IDC was not very strong, which even we knew, but we were also wanting these roads because our approach road and internal roads both were so bad that we have a lot of very good units working here, and most of them are export oriented or having good clients. So when you come to the industrial estate, you have very narrow roads. Once you come to the industrial estate, factories are good, but the roads are bad outside. How do we impress our customers? So that helps us, not only for the regular movement of goods movement, but it also helps us to position ourselves in front of our clients that we can get better orders. This is number one. This is what we discussed. But now regarding these 4 years, during these 4 years, I'm very happy. Actually, I'm very delighted that this road is happening in Penang, and they are the first people to get this. We were inviting sir to come to our industrial estate for our problem. He said, "Don't call me. I'll first solve your problem and then I'll come." But I'm happy that unlike other promises, now it is happening. But in these 4 years, it is not that just road is happening. See, remember one thing. For bituminous roads, you can redo it. But here we needed a new pipeline, water pipeline, which IDC has done it. So new pipeline has been put. Again, 11 kVA and 33 kVA has been put underground so that tomorrow this digging cannot happen. So that has been completed in the last 4 years. There are so many hiccups which they cleared and sorted it out. So we are happy that we are getting good infrastructure. It is now our responsibility. Service trucks also they have put extra at every junction so that and they have taken us into confidence. I can really tell you that so that tomorrow if any services should be provided cross road, then that provision is also there. So we are very happy, and so let's hope that now it's our responsibility.
Entire road is very
Yes, all over.
थँक यू
Even water.
So most of the times the complaint is that there are a lot of heavy vehicles or trucks that move within the industrial estates. Therefore, once we lay the road, most of the time what happens is the next year or the second year the road wears out, and because of heavy monsoon, potholes and all these things form, and again we have to spend a lot of money to again relay the whole road again. So this is a new technology called as white topping, and in 2020 Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, they have written to the state governments that instead of laying the bituminous roads, it is better to use this white topping technology, and this is now currently being used in national highways also, and even in Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana roads also. So in 2024 again certain policies were formulated by MORTH and communicated to the state governments, and under the leadership of our honorable chairman, we are very glad that in the entire state of Goa, it is the first time this kind of technology is being used in Pillar Industrial Estate. And I can also tell that this is the first time in any industrial estate across the entire country, this kind of technology is being used. So this information is present in the brochure that we have given to you, and I think from there you will get more information. Thank you.
Your name, please, ma'am? Your name, please.
I am Pranimal Abhishek. I am the Managing Director of the Goa Industrial Development Corporation.
An IDC will spend on the entire house and
Entire money IDC spent. That's why we took up. First we saw to it that now our next job will be once infrastructure is in place, we have got issues of labor, of staff. We will take even those issues. We plan to put in RRs, we plan doing everything in order. Everything is going systematically. Hopefully by 2025 we will have a perfect industrial state. At least as far as infrastructure, as far as issues, as far as even one thing like even application develop and application by sorrow, everything will have a timetable. All online, all systems in place. One of the best in the country we will have as far as I am not saying we are going to have the best, but at least we will compete with one of the best in the country.
So what about the lighting, street lighting?
Street lights we have given electricity, we have given it to the electricity department. The electricity department is taking over all the street lighting and they have assured us now. Yeah, work is in progress, partly payments have been done and they are taking over, the entire street lighting will be taken over by the department and hopefully by another 6 months we should have everything in place. One industrial street lights.
There are major problems, sir. Night, especially in the night shift boys, and there is cattle on the road and on the lot of accidents. So street lighting is also a safety.
Anyway, we will explain to you the thing, but everything will fall in place because we have taken proactive steps to see that everything is really in place. And when we say being in place, you can make out actions speak louder than words. We are starting the white topping in front of the press also. Thank you.
Taking up part of the roads full width. When you take up full width, you have to close the entire road. This can't be closed because of the traffic. You can't close the industrial estate. So basically, this will be one part of it. Then exactly second layer he will repeat on the other side. There will be expansion joint in between, which will help even both ways, the heat and all. So technicality is good to care, but as far as the surface is concerned and quality concerned, we have got full instructions. I have given full instructions so that we have got a very good quality, and our target is to see that 25 years nothing happens to this road. Quality maintain Goa. So I will hold you responsible for it.
Sir,
That you do afterwards. No, because press is there. Then you do afterwards.
take it already.
So this is one of the issues. One photo. You explain 2 minutes. That technical.
सर कोणत्या कंपनीत दिल्या काम?
Let him explain. He'll explain.
So this technology is called as ultra green white topping. So this Goa industrial area is so doing it for the first time across India. So we are very much proud about it. And this technology will enhance the life of the road by about 25 plus years. So this technology is already introduced in other places like Bangalore and all. But in industrial area, it is for the first time. So and it is basically it's efficient, durable, economical and eco-friendly also. So with this concept, we are promoting this technology all over India. So so in this case, I require all the support from all the sources. So that this technology can be developed all over the country.
So you said that this is first time you are using this technology.
In Goa.
First time in
industrial
Goa.
area.
So you have any experience?
Yeah,
in
we have
this?
experience, sir.
Okay.
It's already 20 years old in India, but Goa industrial area is the first industrial area in the country which is implementing this technology, which we should all be proud of.
They have done in Karnataka. This contractor has done work in Karnataka also. Sorry, in Karnataka.
So you have the experience in
Yes,
such
Karnataka has got
technology.
experience.
Done more than 40 kilometers of road. He has got about 10 years plus experience, sir.
ओके सर.
Your name, please.
My name PM Miramat, sir. Technology promoter to governments.
सर
All other technicalities are mentioned in that brochure.
ओके त्याचे वयर येतले
सर म्हणजे असं पहिला
आम्ही पुढे या
Sir, only Nariyal.
असं 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 सर असं सर त्यांना काय
See, don't bring that. Don't bring that. Don't bring that. Nagari. Nagari. Nagari.
They will go back and
Nagari. Nagari.
थोडा फॅन आहे थोडा
Huh? Let's go. No.
हां माटर असं चुकलो रे सर तुम्ही पडा तुम्ही
सर कशा राहा ना मच्छर
त्यांना पडली मरे हां आमच्या सरांचं एखादी पण सोडली नहीं फूटा है वो और काट नहीं निकाला ना समझे ना वो ज़्यादा इधर धंधा
सर मासू तुम बेंगलोर के वास्को लागला ना आता ना
अरे जिथे चले सगळ्यांनी जातात सगळ्यांनी झालं आमचा चालू ना तुम्ही लाईट बंद करूया बरं आहे रे